If you have been struggling with how to market your beauty brand or beauty business, then sis, make sure you stay tuned, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through my signature process for marketing your beauty business so that you can sell out your inventory and be able to have massively profitable promotions. So stay tuned. If you don't know who I am, my name is Toni Roberts. Welcome back to my video. I am the creator and the founder of the brand Beauty into Bank. I'm also the creator of the Sold Out Mastermind Mentorship, where we teach beautypreneurs and brand owners how to have massively successful promotions so that they can consistently sell them out and make $10,000 or more in revenue. I also used to work at e.l.f. Cosmetics as a social media manager, as well as an assistant influencer manager. So I'm excited to be able to bring all of my experience and my knowledge to you guys to make sure that you understand how to successfully market and run your beauty brand. So let's go ahead and get into today's video. So I'm going to be talking about the 4 P's of a successful beauty promo when it comes to marketing your beauty brand or your beauty business. And this is my signature process that I have developed that I teach more in depth inside of my courses and inside of my mentorship. So there's 4 different phases of it, and I'm going to give you an overarching idea of what that looks like so you can understand. And then if you have any additional questions or if you want more specific help with the actual process, you can always reach out to me. You can comment on this video, or you can shoot me a DM on Instagram and we can chat about it and discuss it further if you feel like you need more in-depth one-on-one help. So let's get into that first P of this process. The first P of it is called planning. Okay, sis, you need to make sure that you are planning out your promotions, because if you fail to plan, you are planning to fail. And I'm sure you've heard that saying before, but it is so true. You have to really understand what it looks like and what is it going to take in order to you to get to that actual goal that you're trying to achieve. I have so many clients and so many people that come to me and they'll say, oh, okay, I want to be able to sell out my inventory, or I want to be able to make $5,000, or I want to be able to make X amount of money on my launch day or my first launch week, but they don't really have a concrete process and a system in order to understand how to actually get to that goal. So I need you to really start thinking about, okay, what is it going to take for me to get there? How long is my promo going to have to be? How long am I going to be needing to talk about it to warm up your audience, right? Also thinking about, you know, are you going to have a discount code? Are you going to have a VIP wait list? If so, how long are you going to promote the wait list, or how long are you going to do the discount, right? And is there going to be specific types of content that you're going to be releasing during the week of your promotion or during the time frame of your promotion? Are you going to be doing just videos? Are you going to be doing just posts? Are you going to be focusing on doing reels? Are you going to leverage your email list in addition to your social media? There's so many different moving parts and so many different things that goes into effectively planning a promotion that actually is going to work. So you really need to think about all of those different things to make sure that you have like a blueprint that you know that you are going to be able to follow to get to the end result. So really taking that time out to plan it, it's going to be important in regards to your content, the time frame. Are you going to have influencers to help you during your promotion on your launch day? Like, thinking about those things are going to be really important. So make sure you take that time to do that. The second P of the 4 P's in this phase is called the prepping process. All right, so you've taken the time to plan things out. You know the time frame, you have an idea of the type of content you're going to be releasing. Now you need to actually give yourself time to prep the content and prep yourself to make sure that when you actually go into the actual promotion, that you have all of the different things and all of the different assets ready for when you are actually going to the marketing aspect and in the promotion aspect. So you need to prep your captions, right? If you're going to be promoting or posting on Instagram, it's important to take some time to think about, okay, what am I going to say in my captions, right? What type of images and graphics am I going to be posting? Do I need to go ahead and pre-make some flyers? Do I need to send out my products to influencers? Maybe you're going to be having influencers actually help you during your promotion, so you need to kind of plan in that time to send out the products to make sure that they have the time to get the products, review the products, create the content for the products. If you know that you're going to have people posting and helping you during your promotional time frame. So you need to make sure that you're giving yourself that time to prep, because it's going to take a little bit of time for you to actually have all of those assets put together, the captions, the flyers, the pictures, the images, you know, making sure that you have your influencers all on board and make sure that they have their content created. All of that takes time and prep process, and not to mention the actual fulfillment. If you have an e-com store, you need to make sure you actually have the inventory, you have enough inventory, you have your labels. You need to make sure that you have a system, a fulfillment system, and a fulfillment process that's going to allow you to fulfill the orders as they come in the most efficient and the most fastest way as possible. So you need to make sure that you're giving yourself that time to prep all of that. So one of the biggest pitfalls that I see with my clients is they have this goal, they have somewhat of a plan, they have their goal, but they don't give themselves time to prep for the actual execution of the marketing or the actual execution of the promotion. So that means that when they actually start to try to do the promotion, they're flying them again by the glue on their eyelashes, you know, trying to post things at the very last minute or trying to do things at the very last minute. And when you're doing that, that actually hurts your promotion, and it hurts the way that you're showing up, and it actually cuts into the success of your promotion, because you're not there energetically and you're feeling super stressed out and you're feeling super overwhelmed when it comes to actually trying to get your content out to get people to actually see the promotion and actually buy. So making sure you're giving yourself that time to prep is going to be important as well. The third P of the 4 phases of this is called pre-launch, okay? Pre-launch is so important, and then this is actually what I consider to be the most important part of your marketing process and of your promotion process, especially if your end goal is to have a sold out promotion where you want to sell out of a certain product, or you really want to hit a specific income goal. You got to do a pre-launch, and a pre-launch is where you actually are giving yourself a time frame to really warm up your audience, getting them excited, really building up that curiosity, and really getting people super engaged in anticipation of the actual drop, right? You have to do those type of things to make sure that people are aware of your brand, that you have the ability to warm up your existing audience, and that you can get more people, get more eyeballs on what you're doing, and then also just build up that anticipation so that when you do drop, that gives you the best chance possible of selling out in that particular time frame, right? So if you follow these other bigger brands like Fenty Beauty, Fenty Skin, MAC Cosmetics, Ulta Beauty, all the box of crayons from Super Scent, right? All of these bigger brands, more corporate brands, and all influencer brands, they understand the process and they understand the importance of pre-launch, because that is really how you have these big blowout sales and these big blowout promotions, is by really taking that time to build up the anticipation, to build the demand for the product, for whatever it is. Even if it is a service, if you're going to be opening your books for a specific season, like, you got to take the time to build the demand in order to get the result. So you need to have a pre-launch, right? That is so important, and that is what is going to be the catalyst to allow you to get to that end result of selling out, or that end result of actually hitting that income goal. And then the last P of this 4-phase process is your promotion. So you gotta promote. So you've planned it out, you've prepped out your content, you've gone through the pre-launch phase. Now you gotta actually promote. So that means that you need to actually be posting, be promoting, be talking about the product, be talking about your service, and really exemplify and talk about all of the benefits of actually getting the product or actually booking the service. One of the biggest mistakes and things that I see that people struggle with is they're always talking about like the features. They're talking about the product, and they're not really talking about the benefits of the product. So if you have a body butter that you're trying to sell, or a body butter bundle or something, what are the benefits? Like, what are the benefits of the ingredients? How does it benefit that customer? And you really need to really understand how to articulate the value of it when you're in the promotional phase, so that people can really see why it's important for them to go ahead and get that product and why they need the product. So you need to be posting about it, you need to be promoting it, and you need to be sharing testimonials, right? So you need to be coming up, making sure you're showing up in various different ways to exemplify to your audience and exemplify to other potential customers why they need your product, the benefit of the product, how they can use it in their daily lives, and how it can enhance their lives, and how it can make their experience of their daily lives better. So that is one of the biggest things that I see, that especially people that are not really familiar with marketing, where they really drop the ball. They don't really exemplify and communicate efficiently the benefits of the product, and they don't really tell the story of how it's going to make their customers or potential customers' lives better. So you need to paint the picture and tell the story, especially during the promotional process, so that it'll help get people off the fence. It'll help them, you know, have that social proof. It'll help you actually convert more customers, build up that FOMO, and all of the different things that goes into really getting people to buy and making sales, okay? So hopefully that gave you a good overview and understanding of how to actually market your beauty brand and market your beauty business to where you actually can have a sold out beauty promotion. You need to make sure you're planning. You need to make sure that you're prepping. You need to make sure that you go through a pre-launch and then actually promote, right, and sell the benefits of your product or your service. So if you found this video helpful, feel free to let me know it down in the comments. Also, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you want additional content like this. Also, tell me what was your favorite part of this video. What was your biggest takeaway? And if you feel like you need additional help with marketing your beauty brand and promoting your beauty brand on social media, then I would like to invite you to go ahead and check out the Sold Out Beauty Promo Planner. That is my signature planner specifically for beauty pros and beautypreneurs who want to have a streamlined promotional process and system to follow. So again, if you feel like you are struggling with marketing and you don't really understand the process of how to get people to see the value in what your brand offers and how to get people to pay more attention to your products, your services, and actually buy, then this is going to be ideal for you, because I pretty much laid out exactly what my signature process is in regards to how to plan it, how to prepare, how to do the pre-launch, as well as how to actually do the promotion. It is an amazing beauty promo planner. It's the first planner of its kind, and I'm sure that you will find it extremely helpful. So if you want to get access to it, click the link in the description box below to learn more about it, and go ahead and copy your copy today. Also, if you feel like you need more high-level one-on-one help or mentorship, then feel free to reach out to me on Instagram. You can follow me on Instagram at I'm Toni Roberts, and that way you'll be able to shoot me a DM and we can chat about different mentorship options if you feel like you need more direct, personal, private help in regards to getting your beauty brand to where it is actually making consistent high revenue and consistently sold out beauty promos. So thank you so much for watching this video today. I hope you found it helpful, and I will see you on the next video.